BMW Z4 models from 2003 to 2020 frequently experience alarm system malfunctions, particularly involving tilt and interior sensors as well as bonnet switches. These alarms are commonly triggered by issues with tilt and interior sensors, which detect vehicle movement or cabin disturbances, and bonnet switches that monitor hood access. Common causes include degraded sensors, corroded wiring, and environmental factors like vibrations or weather conditions that affect sensor performance. Begin diagnostics with an OBD2 scanner to read specific error codes that pinpoint issues such as sensor malfunctions or wiring problems. Reset the alarm by cycling the ignition key or using the key fob. For post-2009 models, the iDrive system enables over-the-air resets for added convenience. Ignoring alarm malfunctions can lead to persistent false alarms and unnecessary battery drain, so timely diagnosis and resets are essential. Many BMW Z4 alarm problems can be resolved with DIY fixes. Using tools like Foxwell or launch scanners, owners can diagnose and address issues themselves. For example, replacing a faulty interior sensor or a corroded bonnet switch is often straightforward. Expert mechanics recommend annual sensor checks to prevent issues. Regular maintenance and proper reset procedures are crucial for long-term resolution. The trend is moving towards more user-empowered fixes and AI-driven vehicle health monitoring. However, for older Z4s, part availability may decline, pushing owners towards aftermarket alternatives. Environmental factors can exacerbate these problems, so be mindful of the climate. Stay safe.